24 factories in the northern region are to receive financial support as part of government's One District, One Factory policy. They are expected to manufacture products suitable for export and domestic use. The CEO of the Ghana Eximbank, Lawrence Agyinsam, disclosed this to GBC 24 while on a tour of some facilities in the northern and upper east regions.
The Ghana Export-Import Bank was established in 1994 to provide credit guarantees and general financial risk management solutions to small and medium-scale enterprises. It is also mandated by law to bolster government's quest for a feasible and sustainable export-led economy. As a principal export finance institution of the government, the Ghana Eximbank is expected to improve the country's export competitiveness, foreign exchange earnings and balance of trade. A team of experts led by the chief executive of the bank inspected a 57,000 square capacity warehouse constructed by Nat for Growth Company. The warehouse is one of the proposed facilities for the One District, One Factory project in the Tamale metropolis.
We wanted to be on the ground and then inspect some of the projects that the people said they've done, and then also provide them with a local funding.
Another project funded by the Ghana Eximbank under the One District, One Factory is a fruit juice factory located at Gumo in the Kumbungu district, which is 70% complete. The team also visited the site for the construction of a diaper factory in the area near Myeon. The factory, which is to be funded by the Eximbank, is expected to produce and export diapers to neighboring countries and for local use. The team also visited some shea nut processing centers in the Tamale and Kumbungu districts. The bank will support them to expand and also enable them to use modern technology to increase production. One of such centers is the Yuma Women Association in the Sagnarigu municipality. Another factory that needs financial support is Some Lawyers Limited, a recycling company. The chief executive, Alhaji Sumalia Yusuf, appealed to the bank to help the company to expand.
In the northern sector here, we are the first to have this kind of, with the support of Eximbank, we want them to help us to expand, grow bigger than what's, where we are now.
The chief executive of Agyinsam, Mr. Lawrence Agyinsam, said the Agyinsam aims to ensure that government's One District, One Factory policy comes to fruition.
We are doing assessment, and because of the strategic nature of this particular project and other ones that I'll be going to visit, that is why I didn't sit in Accra, and I want to be on the ground with my team to make sure that we execute the agenda as has been set by the President of the Republic of Ghana.